In the last few videos, you may have noticed a little window over here to the right that had some stuff in it that is going to be really important to you in the future as you're working on styles. So the way that we pull that up, it's called the debugger window, and it's in all different browsers, but they're all open the same way. But on Mac, you push Command Option I, and that will open the window. And on Windows, you hit F12. So this window is really awesome. It can show us everything about what's on the page right now. So here's my H1, I can hover over it. I can also see the style that's being applied to it in the H1 here from my CSS style sheet, and it tells me where that came from. And I can come in here and actually change it on the fly. So I can change everything to red. I can change this to right. All on the fly in the browser. Now, if I refresh the page, it goes back to the way it was because this isn't changing my actual style sheet. It's just letting me play around right now. But this is really important because you don't want to have to change your style sheets in the CSS and then go back to the page and refresh and back and forth all the time. You want to be able to find the style that you want and then just go put it in your CSS. So let's say that we didn't know exactly what font size we wanted to use. We could come here, say font size 2EM, and that looks like that's what it already is. 3EM, whatever we decide to make it. We can find out the perfect size that we want, and then we can take that and put it into our CSS and be done with it. So this is the debugger window. It's crucial to web development. You can go onto any site too and use this. So you can go onto Facebook or Google or whatever and open this debugger window and see exactly what they do with their HTML and CSS. So it's a really great learning tool. I encourage you to do that. Find some of your favorite sites. The more complex sites are going to be harder for you to figure out right now until we learn a little more. But it's a really great way for you to look in there and see what's possible with HTML and CSS. So we're going to dig into some more in the next video. I'll see you soon.